Hi friends, welcome back to yet another beautiful vlog, and today is all about how I organized my wardrobe. This is my wardrobe. Yes, it's pretty big because I do have a lot of clothes. I know it's not a big deal, but still I want to show you how I organized it and some of the beautiful easy techniques which you might be knowing, which I used to organize all my clothes and accessories. So let's quickly jump into it and let's not waste time. I'll show you this side first. Okay. Yes. Oh my god. I think I should not do it this way. I should have done the other way. So this is how my entire wardrobe looks like. I color coordinated everything and kept it accordingly. All the whites I grouped together, all the blacks, all grey, red, maroon tops, blue. So in that way, if I want to go in search of any top, I know where exactly it lies. I don't need to keep on searching. So this is the first organizing technique, that is you have to color coordinate if you like to. Okay, second, in this basket I kept all the dress which I use, which I wear at home. All the tops I kept it, all the trousers I kept it, folded and kept it there. So that is for this basket. And here, yeah, all my pants, jeans, everything which I use most of the time. I kept my sari blouse and sari, and I don't have a lot of them, so very few collections. So I just use this box to organize that. Okay, now next one is this drawer. Yes, this drawer. I use this space to organize all my lingeries. I use this organizing technique to fold all my tank top, tights and all the lingeries. So this is very useful if you organize it in the second drawer is just nothing, but I use the space to store some of my essentials and some medicines. And that's your thing, Arush. Yes, that for checking your temperature, right? Yeah, kind of the space I used it for those first aid kits. On the top you can see the space I used for folding all the pillowcases and bedsheet. I used this box to keep everything together. Yeah, I know those are not folded properly, but come on here, let's be realistic. Not every time we are perfect, right? And I could have folded it properly and showed it, but I was like, let's not fake it here. Come on, sometimes we humans are like this, you know. So this is sometimes maximum I can do. You know, I get exhausted. I fold it like that. It's okay. I think my mother can do much better. Okay. So that's it. And okay, this side. Yes. This side. Okay, and this side, lighting is not proper. I know. Oh, my hand. Okay, so this space I used to hang all my party wears and long tops, in fact long dresses, as you can see here. So for hanging all these kind of party clothes, I use the space. And down here I folded all my salwars, churidars, all kind of suits. I folded and kept it here, and there I folded all my socks. So that's that. Okay, now the fourth organizing tip for my accessories. Yes, just behind here I have kept. Okay, I use this jewellery organizer. You can get to buy this, so you can hang all your chains and everything. So I found this very suitable for hanging all my accessories. So I kept it there like that. Okay, and there's another space. Okay, here I use the space to keep all my other accessories. So this is just maybe you can say 50% of what I have. The rest is there in my vanity I've kept. Okay, so actually this space for this cupboard, if if it's a man who's using it, he can, you know, keep all his watch. This dividers are for keeping your watch, or you can keep your neckties. But since I'm using this cupboard, I use the space to organize my accessories. Okay, so that's that. Okay, and here also, see, this space actually they say it's for hanging pants, so but I use the space to do it in this way, and I hang some of the other accessories here, long chains. Yeah, okay, so that's that. And some of my extra clothes I folded and kept it here. Okay, so that's it. This is the last organizing technique which I used in my wardrobe, which I missed to show you before. You can use this kind of multiple hanger to hang your different kinds of scarf, dupatta, shawls if you have, or you can use, I've shown in one of my DIY video a long time back, that you can use these kind of shower curtain hooks. You can hang your shawls or tank tops. So these are the two methods of hanging your shawls. Okay, so that's it. So that's it on how I organized my wardrobe. Hope you all liked it. If you liked it, please show your support by subscribing to my channel. Also share, like and comment. So see you in next vlog. Until then, stay blessed and be happy.